Losses to the neck, but now I'm trophied up. I'm saying like bing, bop, boom, 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 bop, bam. The type I'm on you wouldn't understand.
This is our differential gearbox throughout arm. It will give us 2 degrees of freedom, enabling us to pivot like this and like this, which will be very useful for when we're scoring coral on the rig. It's very useful for us because unlike just adding extra motors onto the end effector, this is a lot more stable. It's very rigid, even for just our 3D printed prototype. Pretty pleased with it. And then we can drive it with the motors all the way up on the top of the arm, which is very convenient.
This is the chassis of our beta bot. We're building this as a test ground for the Alpha one. At the moment we're using it to experiment on wiring and where all of our components should be laid out so that it's not a spaghetti mess like last year.
So now we are constructing this prototype for the indexing mechanism, and we are just getting to finish it.
So what we're doing is we're putting the wire system together. So how it works is, well, we're putting the power distribution board here because it's easier to access from the side, mainly because all the subsystems are in the middle. We're putting the Pigeon 2.0, some other stuff in the middle that we don't really need to access much. The Robo Rio and the mini power distribution board, we need to put that here because, yeah, we need to actually access all of those for cabling.